And speaking of having it figured out, you know how you stay on top? You give yourself a new title in the company. That's what Elon just did. He is now the Technoking of Tesla. So I'm saying, like, never mind CEO. Like, who needs that terminology?
Yeah, it's
boring, outdated. Yeah. What about Technoking? Right on the office door.
Yeah.
During the earnings calls. And now we have the Technoking of Tesla, Elon Musk. But he's also having fun because he's memeing. And
Yep.
he does a good job of staying in the news through little things like this, whether it's some new title or some... I mean, even the name they gave to the sun there, and the Doge obsession, and just stay in the news, man. Keep the stock price up, man. It's all techniques to it, Will.
Meanwhile, making billions.
Just a couple billion.
Yeah.
Handful of billions. No big deal. In a filing with his least favorite regulator, the Securities and Exchange Commission, on Monday, Tesla disclosed that Musk is adding the title of Technoking of Tesla. It also said that Chief Financial Officer Zach Kirkhorn had taken on the title of Master of Coin, which I think might even be cooler than Technoking.
Yeah. Isn't that like an old school way of, assigning someone as like a treasurer or like a CFO?
I don't know if it's ever actually been used, but it sounds really cool. Master of Coin.
I feel like it's like a medieval term.
Well, I think it's meant to sound that way. Yeah, Game of Thrones.
Yeah.
Well, you
Well, I feel like
you thought Game of Thrones was historical. You thought it was. No. you thought it was a documentary.
Yeah.
No, maybe it was. I don't know, but it certainly was using Game of Thrones. I don't know if it was ever used in the real world or not, but it makes sense. I mean, it sounds great. If I had held a position like that, I would love for it to be called Master of Coin. But it actually serves a purpose right now too, because of all the interest in the variety of new coins being issued and minted and crypto and all the rest of it. Now is the time to be Master of Coin. And so they got that covered as well. Now,